Hey, how's everybody doing? I will be breaking down my gold trade today and how I lost so that we don't make the same mistakes. And maybe some of you guys out there who, are a little bit confused on why you guys are losing can learn off of my loss. So here we're off the 4 hour time frame. As you guys can see, gold at this level in between 1957 and 1964 seems a bit consolidated. So we have these areas over here where it's just consolidated, as you guys can see, and we had some nice bullish momentum and some nice volume to our side on the buy side. What happens after price shot up 200 pips? We start to see consolidation, which is normal. Maybe this is like the retracement, some retest for price to continue up to the upside. Now I saw a couple things that were a little interesting to me to see. Price kept rejecting that 1955 area, especially that 1955 area. We have a lot of reaction at that area. So when I saw price want to come down and rejected this area, I thought this was like a nice faking out most sellers trying to pick up as much liquidity as possible. And then we tested 1964 area. We failed to break previous candle high off the 4 hour time frame, but we closed bullish, which was a nice indication to me that price wanted to continue to the upside. What happens? I waited for 9 a.m. candle closure, 4 hour candle opened up. I was very patient with that, waited for New York stock market open, and then let's go down to the 30-minute time frame now. So as you guys could see here, I then next thing you know, we had this bearish candle. We start to sort of want to come up, and then often this is a candle that I got in at. I got in and I went straight into drawdown. It was a 25 pip, actually 20 pip drawdown that I saw, and my take profit one was almost a 1 to 2 trade. So it was 35, about 35 pips, a little bit over 35 pips. So the trade was sort of valid. I had this trend line as well that I had, and I kind of went against my trend line by what I'm seeing. So that's one confluence that was not in my favor, and I thought trend line was in my favor because we had kept trading. We traded below this trend line, and I was thinking maybe price doesn't want to break out of it yet. So obviously the trend line was not in my favor. I was also sort of trading in this like rangy area, although it is about exactly almost an 80 pip range. Maybe I should have been more patient and wait for like safe buys, safe sells to play out. I was sort of trying to scalp nice little entry, nice 35 pips was what I was trying to capitalize, and obviously it didn't work out in my favor. Price also, I felt like I was in too early because if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, right, we have this consolidated area like I was mentioning to you guys, but price wasn't ready to break out. Also, we have like this minor level, almost right at half of this range, the middle of this range. I could have waited for price to just. I would have been more patient, and I would have gotten my entry a little bit later. One, two, three, four 15-minute candle later. I could have executed the same trade. I would have hit my TPs. But I feel like I didn't have my confluences there, and on top of that, I was not patient on this trade, which is why I went straight into drawdown. I got instantly clapped, hit stop loss immediately, and after that ended up playing out how we sort of predicted it would play out. Now we are in this consolidated level even on the 15-minute, so this is like a nice little range one that it formed here, that it has here, and we've been trading above that range one, so we could wait and take some safe buys right above. This would be our second range right here, so we could wait for safe buys to play out right around here. And then we have our safe sells. This trend line is also no longer valid, I believe. So I will be removing this trend line here because price is just, market is just trading sideways at the moment. We are in a sideways trend as we speak, as you guys can see. And then I also have my off the 4 hour. It also looks good and valid. as long as we keep trading above this, and if I actually want to see us trade above 1965 to feel even more confident with my safe buys. We also have our safe sells right below this range. So anything underneath that, obviously taking sells here would be risky, but this is kind of like my no trade range at the moment, so I will be extremely patient and I won't make the same mistake on next trade. We also have this weekly trend channel on gold that has been playing out so far, so I am bullish overall on gold, so I don't feel like I was counter trend trading. As you guys can see, we could expect gold to continue to the upside in these next couple weeks, or if we break out of this trend, we could capitalize a nice amount of profits. But safe sell, I don't see us, trading underneath or breaking out of this trend channel, guys. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions on this trade or tips or advice, you can feel free to DM me at Jean Paul Trades on Instagram or here on Discord. So I will be looking forward to seeing you guys, and let me know what you guys thought. Peace.